Hello Storeino customers, we hope you're all doing good. In today's video, we're gonna see how we could add a brand to our store. First, we go to Products, then we click Brand, New Brand. We give a name to our brand. Syntax New. We see here that a link is created automatically, but you can change it whenever you like. We give a description to our brand. Then we add a picture to our brand. Then we click Confirm. And with this, we finish to add the brand to our store. The benefits of the brands in our store is to facilitate to our customers or our store visitors to find their products in a specific brand. So with this, we finish our video. We see you soon in another tutorials.